Hey everyone! Welcome back to our chemistry session. Today, we're tackling the top 50 most important questions on the periodic table.
Q1. What is the periodic table? A. It's a tabular arrangement of chemical elements organized by increasing atomic number. Q2. Who created the first periodic table? A. Dmitry Mendeleev in 1869. Q3. How are elements arranged in the modern periodic table? A. By increasing atomic number. Q4. What are groups? A. Vertical columns on the periodic table. Q5. What are periods? A. Horizontal rows on the periodic table. Q6. How many groups are there? A. 18 groups. Q7. How many periods are there? A. 7 periods. Q8. What is an element's atomic number? A. The number of protons in its nucleus. Q9. What is atomic mass? A. The weighted average of all isotopes of that element. Q10. What is a symbol in the periodic table? A. A 1 or 2-letter abbreviation of an element. Q11. What are metals? A. Elements that are shiny, good conductors, and malleable. Q12. What are nonmetals? A. Elements that are brittle, poor conductors, and mostly gases at room temp. Q13. What are metalloids? A. Elements with properties of both metals and nonmetals. Q14. Where are metals located? A. On the left and center of the table. Q15. Where are nonmetals located? A. On the right side. Q16. What are transition metals? A. Elements in groups 3, 12. Q17. What are noble gases? A. Group 18 elements with full valence shells, very unreactive. Q18. What are halogens? A. Group 17 elements, highly reactive nonmetals. Q19. What are alkali metals? A. Group 1 elements, soft, highly reactive metals. Q20. What are alkaline earth metals? A. Group 2 elements, reactive but less than alkali metals. Q21. What is electronegativity? A. An atom's tendency to attract electrons. Q22. What is ionization energy? A. Energy needed to remove an electron from an atom. Q23. What is atomic radius? A. The size of an atom. Q24. Trend of atomic radius across a period? A. Decreases left to right. Q25. Trend of atomic radius down a group? A. Increases. Q26. Electronegativity trend across a period? A. Increases. Q27. Electronegativity trend down a group? A. Decreases. Q28. Ionization energy across a period? A. Increases. Q29. Ionization energy down a group? A. Decreases. Q30. Which element has the highest electronegativity? A. Fluorine. Q31. What are valence electrons? A. Electrons in the outermost shell. Q32. Why are valence electrons important? A. They determine chemical reactivity. Q33. How many valence electrons do noble gases have? A. 8. Q34. Which group is the most reactive metal group? A. Group 1. Q35. Which group is the most reactive nonmetal group? A. Group 17. Q36. Why do elements in the same group behave similarly? A. They have the same number of valence electrons. Q37. What is a period trend? A. A pattern in element properties across a period. Q38. What causes periodic trends? A. Electron configuration and increasing nuclear charge. Q39. What happens when metals react with nonmetals? A. They form ionic compounds. Q40. Why is hydrogen unique? A. It has properties of both metals and nonmetals and doesn't belong neatly in any group. Q41. What's the most abundant element in the universe? A. Hydrogen. Q42. What's the most abundant metal in Earth's crust? A. Aluminum. Q43. What's the lightest element? A. Hydrogen. Q44. What's the heaviest naturally occurring element? A. Uranium. Q45. What's the only liquid metal at room temperature? A. Mercury. Q46. What is the lanthanide series? A. Elements 57, 71, used in magnets and electronics. Q47. What is the actinide series? A. Elements 89, 103, many are radioactive. Q48. What is a synthetic element? A. An element made in a lab, not found in nature. Q49. Which element is used in nuclear fuel? A. Uranium or plutonium. Q50. How is the periodic table useful in real life? A. It helps predict element behavior, design new materials, and understand chemical reactions. That wraps up our 50 most important questions on the periodic table.